There was a time when healthcare meant waiting rooms, clipboards, and long drives to brick buildings. But that era is fading fast. Welcome to the clinicless future, where medicine meets machine, and care comes to you. Today your doctor isn't across town, they're in your pocket. AI-powered tricorders scan your body, decode symptoms, and prescribe treatment instantly. No appointments, no waiting, just precision care, on demand. Once, pharmacies were the final stop. Now, they're obsolete. Your prescription is filled by robots, verified by AI, and delivered by drone. Same day, no middlemen. For controlled substances, biometric pods require thumbprint verification before unlocking. Retail medicine couldn't compete. The speed, security, and cost efficiency of AI logistics made brick stores irrelevant. What remains are drone hubs, biometric kiosks, and virtual care centers, optimized for access, not overhead. This isn't just tech, it's transformation. Rural patients get care without travel. Chronic conditions are managed with precision. And in disasters, drone fleets ensure uninterrupted supply chains. Healthcare is now scalable, secure, and sustainable. The future of medicine isn't a place, it's a system, one that learns, adapts, and delivers. You're not just a patient, you're a node in a living network of care. Welcome to the new operating system of health.